Welcome at Cloud Expo Europe. I'm Jelle Frank from Zwet from Interaction. I'm here with Alex Bligh from Flexiant. Hi Alex, how are you doing?
Hi Jelle, I'm well, thank you.
Well, great to have you here. We're going to talk a little bit about my favorite subject today. It's called cloud. But first, let's talk about Flexiant. How does Flexiant stand out in the market?
Well, we're one of the few providers of cloud orchestration software that's solely focused at service providers. We were the first to launch cloud in Europe. We started out as a service provider, so we have a very strong heritage in the service provider industry.
So Alex, what are the real drivers behind cloud?
Well, behind cloud adoption, the main driver is obviously customer demand, but the question is, where does that demand come from? Customer demand is really driven from the economics that cloud gives in terms of the economies of scale, reducing costs for the customer, and producing much more flexible service, so it's easier to consume and easier and cheaper to provide for the service provider too.
And what about the Flexiant product, the cloud orchestration? What really stands out from a feature perspective?
Well, what we do is we provide an end-to-end service, so we do everything from the portal to the billing system to the orchestration layer, because there are lots of components that you can easily obtain to do various bits of that, open source and so forth, but not everyone wants to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on consultants to come in and wire those together. So we can very easily turn a bunch of dumb hardware into a cloud offering. It's all about productizing cloud.
That sounds like you're right spot on the market.
Well, we think so, yes.
You mentioned your focus on service providers. How can they benefit from your product?
Well, what our product does is that it allows service providers to productize cloud services and products. So it's all very well having some great new technology, but if you can't bill for that, if you can't wrap it up into a product, and you can't offer it to people on an easily managed basis, then you haven't really got a product at all, you've just got a technology. And it's that bridge that our product gives them.
So, closing question, what is your prediction for 2013?
Well, I'm hoping what will happen in 2013 is some of the more fake cloud offerings start to disappear. So we have a lot of people referring to a bunch of servers in their own cupboard as a private cloud, for instance. And we're hoping that the market becomes rather more educated about that, rather more able to differentiate between real cloud and fake cloud, and we therefore see an upsurge in real cloud products and obviously technologies such as ours, and in service providers making cloud offerings.
And getting rid of all the cloud washing.
That would be great.
Thank you very much, Alex. We'll talk to you soon.